Yo, what's Jam fam? So the school year of 2019 is coming up real quick, and Boods got into her dream school, got into her dream program. She's going into social work. She's been wanting to do it for the last 3 years. She's been grinding, working, getting her grades good, and so she's finally going into going into social work this coming up school year. So this entire year, honestly, we've been talking about, oh my god, 2019 is such a good year. So many good things have been happening to us. Such a good year all around, and honestly, it just keeps getting better and better. And so for Boods, I have a big surprise for her. I have a bunch of boxes. So I have a bunch of little gifts. I've been cleaning my room, honestly, for the last 4 days. Cleaning out everything. And so I kind of filled these boxes with a bunch of random little things, little knickknacks that I found throughout my room that I know that she'll like. Some of it probably is her stuff in the first place, so whatever. And so after work today, I'm gonna take Boods and we're gonna go buy her a brand new MacBook, cause she's got an old one, she's got an old Air. So we're gonna freshen it up for the new school year, get a brand new one. I think she wants a MacBook Air. Hopefully not the Pro, Air is cheaper. And if you haven't had a good year so far, it's about to get a whole lot better. I'm gonna be posting a lot more on my channel. I'm going back to school, which doesn't really make sense saying, oh yeah, I got a lot more time. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna be trying to post a little bit more consistently throughout my channel. Let's go surprise Boods. I'm gonna do the classic. So we're heading to the store now. I'm gonna meet Boods there, and we're gonna buy a new MacBook. Whoa, it fell! Okay, so Boods is trying to back out of buying the laptop. I don't know. We'll go take a look at it. See what she thinks. What do you think? Maybe. A decent maybe. Still deciding, huh? out here crying about your old laptop. Still can't decide. Now we're seriously in trouble. She really thinking about it. She's on her phone with her mama, talking about it. Seeing if she should buy it or not. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Where are you going? Where are you going? Apple store is all the way down there. Where you going, girl? Damn. So that didn't take much convincing. And she got the more expensive one. You baller. Okay, so we got it. Suckers. We're gonna keep doing a little back to school shopping. We're gonna hit up Walmart. Boots needs the essentials. Whiteout. I guess that's it. Shopping time. Oh. How much?
88 cents.
Shit, we them boys. See, stuff coming from the Apple store because now everything seems so expensive. Everything's $1, $3, $3 for a pencil sharpener? Hell no, not a chance. You go get it, Bubba.
100 erasers.
Take it easy.
It's heavy.
Okay, so one of the most important items was exam pencil. Whatever that is. Because you can't write an exam without an exam pencil. Got it. Some limited edition, first ever. All black, all black. I ain't never seen it. I always get the ugly color of these ones. The blue, yellow, green. That's fresh. This is how you gotta think when you're at the store. You gotta come all the way down here, you know. You gotta think small first. And that's when you get big. Or big pimples.
See?
Ew, that's gross as fuck. Can't even say hi. Huh? Chubby. Hey.
Okay, Coco, let's go.
Who's thinking? Ooh! Mmm! Brand new backpack. Brand new lappy toppy. Brand new rat. Okay, this is always the toughest part about the surprise, is getting her the surprise, because we don't live together, so I always gotta bring it to her house somehow. But so I gotta put my backpack back in the car. Guess what's still in the car? The gifts. Okay, let's do it. She has no idea still. She actually opened the trunk once, and that's where I left everything. And I was like, hopefully he doesn't look at it. But then, thankfully, the other day we were throwing out a bunch of paper, which was in boxes. So maybe she just thought it was the same thing. So I'm gonna bring it in now.
Why do you have a present?
Why are you snitching on me? This is for you.
I just bought a laptop.
Yeah, but it's some random stuff.
What about Brayden? Oh, let's all these gifts.
Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
Why did you get so much?
Because you're going back to school.
Yeah, but
And you got into your program. And so I just want to show you that I'm proud of you. Side of it. The best present, some chicken nugget sauce.
oh, my school supplies.
Oh yeah, that was a very important one. Oh, more school supplies. Oh, just throws it aside, eh?
I do. I actually was thinking of buying these when we were there.
You can give it to the kids then. So random.
You have all of that? Did I just take these too? Where did you get this?
After you said cheese.
Sorry, it's not Kobe.
You said cheese, right? Onion, are you bringing your card?
That's expensive. Hi fam jam, we're heading to the park right now, but look at this sunset. Damn! It looks like trash on the phone, but damn, it looks good. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up here. Taking them for a walk. A little late, but everything. Peace out. Catch me on the next one.